Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy crochet cover or handle for your spray bottle or alcohol bottle. Let's go! So this is our spray bottle. This is 100 ml and we're going to crochet from here. Okay, take your yarn and make a slip knot. And we would chain the length around the alcohol cup. For me, it is 14 chains. You can try to put it in the top of the alcohol to see if it fits before slip stitching on the first chain. Make sure also that your chains are not twisted before slip stitching. And then chain 1, and we will start for our first row. This will be a single crochet row. Your first stitch will be here where you do the slip stitch. Insert your hook. You can tuck this tail in and then pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, you can put the stitch marker on the top of this stitch so you will know where to end this row. Continue doing single crochet around every stitch and don't forget to tuck the tail in so you will not have to weave it later. You should have a total of 14 single crochet in this row, same count as the foundation chains, and I will show you how to close this first row. To close this round, we will slip stitch here on the first chain where we place the stitch marker. So insert your hook on the top of that single crochet, pull up a loop and slip it on that loop on the hook. For the second row, we will do half double crochet, so chain 2. In this row have increases. So to do the half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook on that chain where you slip stitch, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through 3. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and then pull through 3. This is half double crochet. If you have trouble determining the first stitch, you can use stitch marker on that first half double crochet. The increase on stitches of this row is made to reach the diameter of the spray bottle. To make an increase, we will put 2 half double crochet in every second stitch. So 1 here and 2 in the second. Again, 1 half double crochet here on the third chain and 2 half double crochet on the fourth one. Continue this alternating of half double crochet and 2 half double crochet in a chain until the end of this round. If you're strictly following the count of my chains, we should have 21 half double crochet on row 2 because we increase by half. We are almost finished. So I'm in my 19th half double crochet, so I have 2 more. See, I ended up in half double crochet in a chain. We will do increase here, which is 2 half double crochet in one chain, total of 21 half double crochet on the second row. To close this round, should slip stitch in the first half double crochet. So it looks like this. See, it's wider. And then chain 2 for the third round. We will make half double crochet again around without increase. So that's 1 half double crochet in every stitch or chain. This third row is basically the body of the spray bottle, because like I said, we reached the diameter of the spray bottle on the second row. Again, if you are confused between the chain 2 and the first half double crochet, put stitch marker here. If you get lost in counting the half double crochet, you should put the last half double crochet here. So this is the slip stitch. We will not put any half double crochet there. That's the slip stitch that closed the previous round. So this is your first half double crochet. The other one is the 2 chains we make at the beginning of this row. To close, slip stitch again on that first half double crochet. And since this is the beginning of the crochet for the body of the spray bottle, we should check if it fits. So here you go, guys. This is the ring and it fits perfectly the spray bottle. So remove it and continue crocheting until the bottom of your spray bottle. Repeat the third row by chaining 2 and putting 21 half double crochet on every row and closing it with a slip stitch. Another tip, if you didn't reach the diameter of the spray bottle on the second row, you can make additional increase like 2 half double crochet on every chain, or 1 half double crochet on the first and followed by 2 increase. and then so on. Whatever fits your spray bottle. Continue on the rest of the body of the spray bottle. Here I made a total of 18 rows and I will try it on my spray bottle. So it is almost done. For the last row, we will make single crochets, so it will be smaller and it will make the spray bottle more secure when you put it in. Reintroduce your hook and then proceed doing single crochet for this last row. I already slip stitched to close the 19th row and we're now ready to make the handle. Make 20 chains. If you want the handle longer or shorter, make an additional or decrease chains. After that, check how long is the handle. The next one, we will be making the chain for the buttonhole. For me, it is 4 chains. And then make the first single crochet on the 9th chain, because the additional 4 is the other side of the buttonhole, and you should make single crochet on the next one, which is the 9th. I inserted or make the single crochet on the back of the foundation chain of this handle, but you can do the normal positioning of the foundation chain. And we are ready to slip stitch. Slip stitch on the next chain for the body's last row. You can actually chain 2 and cut the yarn here if you're satisfied with the thickness of the handle, but for me, I want it thicker, so I will add another single crochet layer. To do that, slip stitch again on the next chain, turn your work, and then put single crochet on every chain of the handle until the buttonhole. You can see the chains at the top. We are almost in the button. Here, I will make the single crochet inside of that buttonhole. So I skipped earlier 8 chains, so I will put 8 single crochet here, and then continue with the single crochet on the other side of the handle. after this last single crochet, we will again slip stitch on the next chain here. Chain 2 and then cut the yarn, pull the string and or the yarn and then fasten. You can weave that tail inside. Now for the button, I'm using 2mm hook and this yarn. You can put the button at the back like this, but I prefer it in front. I will just fast forward through this process because this is very easy. You can use a darning needle or any needle that fits your button, but since I don't have one, I'm using this hook. Okay, and we are finished. Connect the handle on the button and this is what it looks like. I decided to put a Christmas tree embroidery in the front since it's Christmas season. And here is the finished product. These are the other two that I made. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell for more videos about crocheting. See you again on our next video. Bye guys!